So hey guys, welcome back. Your boy is back. Yeah, I'm back, bro. Feels so good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Utkarsh. I live in Poland and I make vlogs. So in case if you're new to my channel, so just make sure you hit that subscribe button because it's very important to me. It gives me motivation when you subscribe to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about my MacBook Pro keyboard replacement experience. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm so excited, bro. Okay, so first of all, let me brief you like what exactly happened. I'm using a MacBook Pro 2018 15-inch and I was having some issues with my keyboard. I went to the Apple store here in my city. One of the Apple store, they actually rejected. They told me that there's so much dirt beneath the keys. They won't fix my keyboard for free with the Apple replacement program. So then I went to the another Apple store here in my city. They are actually a premium reseller. Its name is Cortland, okay. Like approx 2 weeks ago, I went to the Apple store. I told them my issue. They told me, okay, we can fix this. Just submit your PC. I just submitted my PC, and that is the reason I didn't upload videos for a very long time, because I literally didn't had my machine to edit the videos. I'm really sorry for that I didn't upload any videos in this particular time. I hope you understand. So basically, after doing the diagnostics, that's how you say it, they told me that there's some liquid damage, and I was like, what the f? There was no liquid damage with my MacBook. What are you talking about? I told them again that there was no liquid damage, and the guy sent me a receipt, and the bill was for like $600, 2,400 Polish zlotys. I was like, brain. I was like, why should I pay that huge amount, like $600 for just replacing the keyboard? Like here you can also see this was the email, actually is in Polish, but you can see the amount. He told me that you have to pay this amount to get the keyboard fixed. Why should I pay that? I mean, it should be repaired with the Apple replacement program, right? I was like, okay bro, just give my PC back. I'm done with this Apple service. I'm just done. So the moment I wrote this email, the guy told me, hey, I actually saw your YouTube videos. I mean, he saw my previous videos in which I went to the iSpot in the Magnolia Park here in Wrocław. The guy told me, I'm really very sorry for your experience, that you are facing so much inconvenience. I can try my best to talk to Apple, and maybe Apple will make some exception and they will fix my keyboard. I was like, okay, thank you so much. I'll be so thankful. Just get my PC fixed. So after 2 days of waiting, the guy told me that okay, I have talked to Apple and they have actually agreed that they will fix my keyboard with the Apple replacement program for free. So I didn't pay like any money. I didn't pay $600. I didn't pay any money for this replacement. Now I actually got my MacBook back after almost 14 days. It was a long waiting time, but I'm really thankful that it happened. So now let me tell you, what did they fix? So basically they changed the bottom cover. You can see all these ports, they still have this, this plastic. I have not removed. I just picked up this afternoon. So you can see they have this plastic. So it means that they have just replaced the bottom case. They didn't replace the top case. I know this because I have so many stickers. I know it. And here, this is how my MacBook looks, right? They have replaced this keyboard, is brand new. They have replaced this top case. This brand new. I know this because here was my sticker of YouTube. So it's not here anymore. And also they have replaced, this touch bar. You can see there's like plastic right now. I mean, just let me show you like this. So here you can see they have replaced the top case. You can see the keyboard is all brand new. They also have put a new, the touch bar is also new. I even didn't remove the plastic. They replaced this top case, this trackpad, and the battery. So all these things are brand new. So yeah, basically this was the 3 things which they replaced in my MacBook, and literally my MacBook is all like brand new. And thanks to Apple for the Apple keyboard service related program. Because of the program, I didn't pay any money and my MacBook is back to like new. Right now, literally I cannot express how much happy and blessed I feel. I mean, I'm just so happy, bro. Like, yeah, that was pretty much my experience with the Apple keyboard service related program. Again, I'm saying I didn't pay any money. If anybody who's watching this, and if you have similar issues with your keyboard, if your keyboard is not working, just make sure you visit the nearest Apple store. And if in case your nearest Apple store, they're not helping you, they are saying we cannot replace it, just talk to the Apple support on the call. They will help you with everything. Or just make sure you visit some other Apple store in your city, because it depends on the particular store if they want to replace it under the keyboard replacement program or not. Apple has just generally announced this, but in the end it depends on the particular store if they will fix it or not. I'm telling this from my experience because first time I went to the iSpot here in my city, Wrocław. They denied. They told me they cannot fix it. So again, when I went to the other store with some hope, I had some hope, you need to have some hope, period. So yeah, the other time when I visited the other store in my city, Wrocław, they decided that yeah, we can fix it. And also, being a YouTuber, I don't know, like the guy, he watched my video. So in case if anybody is watching this video from Cortland, here in Wrocław especially, I'm really very thankful. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I was really having very hard time. I didn't have my PC. I have so many pending projects. I also have to work on a sponsored video. Yeah, guys, you are amazing. Keep up your good work. Thumbs up. You know, in this past 2 weeks, I just realized that there are so many things in our life we just take it for granted, and we don't really value the substance, don't really value the things unless it's gone. And this is what I realized in these 2 weeks, how much I love my machine. I don't know if anybody of you can relate, but I don't know, I was so sad. I was missing my MacBook so much because this is my only PC I have. I do all my work on the PC. I mean, I was just missing my MacBook so much. You know what I mean, right? Like, so hey guys, that was pretty much my experience, and that's pretty much for this video. I really hope you liked this video or enjoyed this vlog for whatever reason. If you did, just make sure you hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I feel so blessed. We are growing so fast, almost like 1400 subscribers. Just keep supporting, and I love you all who is supporting my channel. I just feel so blessed. I cannot express it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, peace out. Love from Poland, boy from India. और अब vlogs आते रहेंगे. Stay tuned. Okay, bye.
I've been holding out, it's hard